you know, like, we dey talk as in, I just hear happy say I dey here, you know, understand? But one thing I notice, why is it that the life of the rich people different from poor people life? If they dey play music, rich man no dey dance. Even if they dey dance, they no dey shake. Why? Because if they dance, they know say money go fall. But poor man, before music start to play, they don't start to dey dance. So poor men, they sabi dance like people wey get epilepsy. And another thing when we wan really talk about, if you know that when rich people they dey rear dog, you understand? They dey try. Go see the kind food their dog dey shop, like fried rice, indomie, and fried egg, ice cream. Now they make their dog dey lazy. So if they wan even sick, na human being sickness they dey get, things like cholera, malaria, typhoid. But if na poor man dey train dog, things different. I remember when my papa buy one dog. This dog, na so this dog big. As this dog enter our house, e never reach 1 month, the dog just small. Why? This side the shop na things like popo garri, oyibo, bone. So when they dey sick, the kind sickness na things like beriberi, apollo, stomach ulcer, even unwanted pregnancy. So one thing, you see, the rich man life is good. I dey talk and say, if person travel comot from Nigeria, say 50 years time he come, the only thing wey go remain the same na NEPA and police. And when worse pass na police o. Police people dey no dey joke with bribe. Na so one day I enter traffic, policeman dey draw me money. Oh boy say give me 200. I say no oga, na 100 naira I get. I fit say na joke. Now give 100 naira as I go for night as I dey sleep. The remaining 100 naira dey my pocket for dream. I see this policeman dey ego me. See trouble, the guy dey trouble me. Over as I wake up 100 naira I don miss. So now what I say, Nigeria police, you know they joke with them. And I say if government won't try for police body, may they remove all the pockets for police uniform. I trust Nigeria police now. They go to wear bag for bag, they like students. I say you go to see them for road. So man, this life, everything just dey okay. You see, I remember when I really travel abroad. You see, as I dey drive now, break traffic. The boy see police, they hold me because of traffic. I say, oh boy, not be play. Then they carry me enter cell. Oh boy, when I reach there, now small thing I decide take find pass as a rock. I say, not be play be this one oh. For inside that same say AC day, man, see ties, 3 square me. I say, oh boy, I say, now common traffic when I break now they treat me like this. I don't they reason the next crime I want commit. 3 days later, the officer just come say, young man, you have been paid. I say, eh? Who pay me? I better return the money, give him more. They tell us how they complain. He say, young man. He say, young man, you must go. I say, I know they go anywhere. As the guy won't push me, when I load, I'm like, boy. He say, young man, you're under arrest. I say, God bless you, sir. Thank you very much. Oh boy. But I say, if now Nigeria, say our police be like that. Say Nigeria police station ties day. I trust Nigeria, sir. Now we for the arrest ourselves. You know, say we dey complain say police like bribe, but then now we go to bribe police so that they go jail us. You know, say that kind of time. So kind bad boys, they don't get special room for them. And I trust worry boys now. We go see boy, go carry a girl, go run enter, say officer, please arrest us. We just committed a crime. Oh boy, you go see say for Nigeria police station, they get belle. I trust Nigeria police. You know say they too like money. They fit go to sell condom for that place. So now say it be. And again one thing, once he discover about this our police. Why? If he say police, they too like bribe. Why? Now so one commissioner of police enter the guy compound. As they collect the guy money, there they go. Oh boy, now so the thief or rich gate see the dog. Very big dog, the dog is back. Oh boy, fear all these people. They crack on. The dog not move. The dog stand, they look. As 20 naira fall for one guy pocket. Now so the dog carry the 20 naira come off for road. I say Nigeria police. Now so now make they say anything when they do, it they affect people. Still on the matter of say if ourselves fine, only us where they arrest ourselves. I don't hear they say they call somebody say, "Oga, baby, where you dey stay?" He say, "I dey police station." No worry. Yeah, you dey. He say, "No, they arrest me now. No worry. If you reach there, just ask them. That guy don't know the thief goats." Oh boy, the guy don't get special room for there.
Right. What's your name?
Kelvin Onomofo, aka Kevin Nigeria.
Kevin Nigeria. What are you going to say about the new brand comedian MC Willie?
Well, I've often said that MC Willie is a mobile encyclopedia of comedy. You know, like they're saying there's a massive that goes does. It says Balanga Balanga Lokoloshi. It means say he that has a light, let him show it. MC Willie is a common act that has not been discovered. I'm sure that very soon the world will be celebrating.
Wow, wow, wow. All right, I want to talk about the brand. What do you say about this brand? Is it your brand? What do you talk about Pepsi?
Pepsi has always been the best. I'm talking about soft drinks and beverage. Still remain the best.
Right, okay. Thank you very much for the show. Thank you for coming for the show, okay? God bless you.